Sometimes data is consolidated into one column, such as first name and last name, but you might want to separate columns from each other. So you can split the sales rep first, in this example, and the last name. So for example, in this table, in column B, we have first name and last name in just one column. And the other problem is that the only separation between it is space. To split this into two columns, click inside your table, click Query, Edit, and click Transformation. Select your column by clicking on the header, click Split Column by delimiter, and here select or enter delimiter, leave space, or select the one which is existing in your file, and then each occurrence of the delimiter and click OK. As you can see, now it has been separated into two columns. The first one we can name it first name, and the second one can be last name. Once done, go back home and click Close and Load. And as you can see, it has been done accordingly.